In this video, we will fix the error that says your connection is not private in Google Chrome. This message shows up when Chrome thinks your website connection is unsafe. It means the browser can't confirm that the site you're visiting is secure. Let's go through the most effective methods one by one. First, check the date and time on your device. Many websites use security certificates to prove they are safe. These certificates have a start and end date. If your computer's date is not correct, Chrome might think the certificate is not valid. So, go to your date and time settings. Make sure the date, time and time zone are all correct. If you're on Windows, right-click the time at the bottom right corner of your screen, then choose Adjust Date and Time. Turn on the option to set time automatically. On Mac, go to System Settings, then Date and Time. Turn on the option to set time automatically as well. Once your date and time are correct, go back to Chrome and try reloading the website. If that didn't work, let's move to the next fix. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, saved files in your browser cause this problem, especially if a site recently updated its security certificate. To clear your browsing data, open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. In the window that pops up, choose All Time for the time range. Check the boxes for cached images and files and for cookies and other site data. Then click Clear Data. Close Chrome, reopen it, and try the site again. Still getting the error? Then try using a different network. Some Wi-Fi networks like public Wi-Fi in airports, cafes, or schools may block secure connections or use settings that confuse your browser. If you're using public Wi-Fi, try switching to your mobile data or a different Wi-Fi network if available. You can also restart your router if you're at home. Just unplug it for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Then try again. Another possible cause is a browser extension. Some extensions, especially those related to security or privacy, can interfere with how Chrome connects to websites. Try disabling your extensions to see if that solves the problem. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Extensions under More Tools. You'll see a list of all installed extensions. Use the toggle switch to turn them off one by one. After turning them off, reload the website. If the site loads correctly, then one of your extensions is the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to find the one causing the issue. If you find the problem extension, consider removing it or looking for an alternative. Another fix is to use Chrome's Proceed Anyway option, but only if you're sure the site is safe. When the error message appears, click on Advanced at the bottom of the page. You might see an option that says Proceed to Website Name, Unsafe. This is useful if you are visiting your own website or a site you trust and you know that the certificate expired recently. But be careful. If you're not sure about the site, don't click it. It's better to be safe. One more thing you can try is updating Chrome. An outdated browser may not trust some new website certificates. To check for updates, click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them if needed. When the update is done, restart Chrome and check the site again. If you're still getting the error after trying everything, it's possible the website itself has a problem with its SSL certificate. In that case, there's not much you can do. You can try contacting the site owner or wait for them to fix the issue. Try these steps one by one. In most cases, the error will go away after one of these fixes. Thanks for watching.